So now that we are in our CapCut web, now you can do a lot here. As you can see, some templates right here that was given. You can take one of these to make some random advert video, some social media video on TikTok sites and YouTube size and different kind of size. All you just want to do right here is just come and click on create a new video. If you click on create a new video, it will give you the options to create a new video like what we have done at our offline CapCut. So we are not going to go into that because we have already talked exclusively on that. Now I'm just going to exit this, and another option I want to show you right here is that you can similarly do create new images and do from there as well. Now let's use the auto cut button. If we use the auto cut, it will give us different options to work with, whereby we compile different pictures together with a template to give us some fantastic TikTok size video. I hope you got that. So if you could notice that whenever you are scrolling on your TikTok and you are going to see something like CapCut, these are the options and these are what we are talking about. So what you just want to do is just click on upload, and I'll just upload some random pictures that you want to use. Just upload about 3 of them and use. So now that we have that, all you're just gonna do right here is just click on generate after it's successfully uploaded. Now that is already uploaded, if I click on this, it's going to zoom in and show me what my picture is, and if I click on this as well, that is zooming in, and that I just showed you so that you know you can add other images if you wish. Just click on generate and click on allow, so it's automatically going to generate. And if it have automatically generate, you can view and you can edit and you can export. So that is very easy. It's going to give you some template to work with here. As you can see what happened, let me play it again so that you can see. So that is that about that. If you can choose some other options right here, you can actually be using this for your TikTok if you are a content creator. These are one of the options that I've shown you already. So that is that about that. If you have done that, all you're going to do is just click on export, and now that you have that, you can use it for creating anything that you want. Okay, so that is that about that, and I hope that you have actually enjoyed one or two from what I've actually showed you right here.